I'm Stephen Foskett, organizer of Tech Field Day and publisher of Gestalt IT, and we are here in beautiful Boston, Massachusetts for Cloud Field Day. I'm just catching up with my pal Lino here, and we're talking about cloud automation, orchestration. Tell me more.
Yeah, thank you, Stephen. Thank you for having me. So let me say that automation is really important for my work, for my job. Automation. What is automation? Automation is doing stuff without putting your hand on it. So it's like deliver application and infrastructure without controlling every step, but automating it during the time, and also keeping this automation as a real, as a real process of your company. So I was literally fighting against a lot of people that say, okay, I cannot feel something doing. I cannot feel that things are delivered if I can't put my hands on. And I will simply answer, why are you putting your hand in your application? Why are you putting your hand to deliver this stuff in your infrastructure? You must keep your infrastructure healthy, so just do it with automation and then accelerate your time to market, and also you can govern all the things that are defined around your application, around your infrastructure. So this is one of the pitch that I simply do to I tell to my friends. Okay.
So one of the things, so as a longtime systems administrator, I mean, I've been scripting things forever.
Yes.
But there's a difference between scripting and automation, really.
Yes.
And that is that automation, I think, has to have sort of action and reaction.
Yes.
So it's not just do this, do this, do this, do this, but it is do this, see the outcome of that,
yes,
make sure that it's the right thing, then do the next thing. Is that right?
Yes, there are. This is a good point, because doing a simple script is not automating. Doing a simple script is, it's like simplify part of your work, but the automation itself has a lot of complex steps to reach the goal. For example, if you deliver your infrastructure, you have make sure that you have enough availability to your infrastructure element, and then also check the million of variables that are around your environment. For this reason, the technologies around the automation are imperative or declarative, but today we are moving completely on declarative way to deliver your infrastructure, and then the automation part will use this as engine of quite of every step you are doing during your process of delivering your application.
And what are the key tools that people are using for automation these days?
Oh, there are a lot of key tools.
Yeah. Well, Ansible, Chef,
Ansible, Chef,
Terraform,
and it depends on the environment. It depends on the infrastructure you want to deliver, and thinking about multi-cloud environment, or using hybrid cloud in your hybrid cloud project, and so I personally suggest to use HashiCorp Terraform, because it has a wide coverage of your infrastructure element. And then there is also a mix up with Terraform and Ansible too. So this is my, of course, things that I'm studying every day and put into practice every day. So I have a lot of experience with these two tools.
Yeah, and as an old school systems administrator, Ansible was the one that felt the most natural to me.
Yes.
But in the cloud environment, I honestly feel like some of these more modern tools are maybe a little bit more comfortable.
Well,
yeah, a little bit more capable.
Let me say that with Ansible you can do everything, but it depends on the effort you are putting on create your automation to deliver your infrastructure element, and also check every environment checks you have to do. And don't forget that if you want to automate and bring this automation to your developers team, for example, you have to check also the policies and the compliance of your companies. And all these steps are must be included in your automation, of course.
Well, thanks so much for giving us a quick intro to automation. We will
Thank
be
you very
seeing
much.
some at Cloud Field Day. And
yes.
of course, I do recommend checking out Lino on social media. Where can we find you?
You can find me on Twitter and recently on Mastodon at Lino Telera, and then also on my blog, blog.linoproject.net.
Excellent. Thanks a lot.